Hey everyone, Chetna here from Me With A Pencil, and today I'm going to show you how to write Happy Diwali in 9 different ways. This is going to be very fun. You can also check out my other 9 different ways series where I've thought how to write happy birthday, thank you in 9 different ways. And this will help you to make lot of greeting cards, note, gift tags or anything that is related to the Diwali gifts. And you can show your unique style by writing Happy Diwali in so many different ways. So let's get started. So here I'm using Tombow Fudenosuke Heart Tip Brush Pen today. And you can use any pen or pencil. You can also replicate the way I am writing it with a regular pen too. You don't need to have a brush pen for that. So this is going to be a real-time video, so you can just watch how I'm writing and you can create your own version of it. So first one that I'm writing is the very basic bold style that I've done earlier also. A very playful basic monoline bold lettering style. So here just giving Diwali a little bit of spotlight. And that looks very playful and very nice. And the second one that I'm gonna do is a very playful happy, where I'm mixing capital and small letter. As you can see, I'm getting thick and thin lines. If you don't know how to get those thick and thin lines, you can watch my video. I'll attach it to the top right corner of this video, where you'll learn basics of brush calligraphy. So the basic strokes that will help you to get those thick and thin lines. This cute little hearts makes it really nice and very energetic in the letter, adds an energy into the letter form. Now let's do the third one. That's a very simple brush calligraphy style. And if you're not confident doing it directly with the pen, make sure to sketch it out with the pencil first and then do it with the pen on the top of it. I always prefer doing it with the pencil first, sketching out my whole work and then transferring it on the actual paper. Like if you're making a card, make sure to sketch it out on the card and then write it with the pen so that you don't mess up with it. So again, here also, if you don't want to add those dots, you can always use a heart as your dot for the eye. The fourth one is going to be a little layout flourish style, where I'm going to write Diwali first. This is a very beautiful traditional style of writing D. And if you want to learn brush calligraphy in detail, I have a online course on Udemy. You can check that out. I'll share the link in the description. So I've got this nice flourish over the L. So this is called a flourish, and I'm gonna add my the word happy over here. So it kind of makes a very simple layout, going in the direction of that flourish. And the other one, fifth one, is very simple happy, like a very playful bouncy style. And Diwali in bold. Rounded corners, so you can see the strokes are rounded. I'm not making it very much straight, so giving a curve to your letter really makes it look very very cute and very nice, and it gives a different kind of an effect to it, as you see. And maybe you can add some sparkle over here or anywhere around the word. So here is the sixth one, that is like a very simple one, but an elongated style of writing, a very simple version. If you are a minimalist, if you like minimal kind of a design, this you'd like this kind of writing. I'm not gonna make too thick and thin. I'm just gonna keep words very light and simple by just extending the stroke over here, the connecting stroke. And you can add some diyas over here. Maybe, I don't know how it's gonna turn out. They're not that great version of diyas, but I think it looks cute. Let's move on to the seventh one. So more like a flourished, something like the fourth one, but I'm gonna make it more flourished version. First I'm gonna write Diwali so that the happy falls in the center of the Diwali. And as I mentioned earlier, you can also check out my other two videos on 9 different ways where I show you how to write 9 happy birthday and thank you. This is like a flourished version, a little complicated, but with practice you'll get this. I'm gonna keep this again very playful and not very like pointed letters. If you give a very pointed letter look, it kind of makes it look very serious. Giving it a curve makes it very cute and pretty looking letter. So here on the 8th style, I'm gonna write happy more bigger and Diwali in like normal bold style, but I'm gonna just make some nice curves to the letter. This is a modern style calligraphy. Now as you can see, I've balanced the flourish on both the sides. So I'm gonna write Diwali over here like a very bold style, keeping it rounded curve. You don't want to put the dot on the top of I, that's totally alright. You can keep it as it is. Maybe I'll just make a nice curve. I think I shouldn't have done that line, but I think that's alright. If you want, you can do it. If you don't want, it's alright. So if you're new to my 9 different ways series, I have 2 other videos also, and I always give this sheet that I'm writing on as a free download. The link is in the description, so you can download those and practice. And this is only for personal use. Please do not use it for commercial purposes. And the 9th one is going to be literal, created, freehand, happy. I'm going to take this flourish and go like this. I'm going to make some right. Diwali. I'm just making little sparks of lines, so I'm gonna add some sparkling lines over here. Oh, I was gonna do this in gold. Just a second. So here I'll do some touch-ups in gold. You can do normal with any color. So maybe here also. Just some gold. So for gold I am using Uniball Signo gold pen. Always sketch it out first and then try it with the pen directly, and do not forget to download the sheet and practice. These were the 9 different ways of writing, and I'm done with the 9th one. I hope you liked my 9 different ways series. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. We post tutorials on watercolors and calligraphy. If you try this, please share it with me at Me With A Pencil on Instagram, and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.